Global Peace Ambassador, so-called Zambia Peace Ambassador, under the Global Peace Foundation Dubai. I am here to wish my condolences to the Italian president, Italians government, and all citizens of Italy for what happened yesterday. The death of His Excellency Italian Ambassador in DR Congo, or Democratic Republic of Congo, His Excellency Luca Attanasio, who was accompanying a caravan from the World Food Program in Goma, Italy's ambassador to Democratic Republic of Congo, passed away on Monday, 22nd, following a shooting attack on a United Nations caravan in Goma, in the east of the country. The information was confirmed by the Italian Foreign Ministry. This lays and pushes me as the peace ambassador globally to wish my condolences to this part of the country in the world which has been affected by this kind of situation. I'm also calling upon Italy not to refrain their mutual relationship with the Democratic Republic of Congo. I'm also calling upon the Democratic Republic of Congo government, His Excellency Republican President Félix Antoine Tshisekedi, to come down to kneel before the Italian government for what happens, because the Italian government called the president telling him that anytime soon our ambassador was supposed to go in this part of the country. Can you deploy high safety for him? And unfortunately, the Republican president took it as a ignorance and a consideration of their concern. And this it has happened. This means that His Excellency Félix Tshisekedi, Democratic Republic of Congo Republican president, must understand that he has to be into acceptation of any kind of attack or otherwise. Else, also calling upon him to bow before Italy for what happens, because this leads into the high attack and the provocation. If he couldn't know that he was provoking Italy by not deploying the safety of their diplomat in that part of the country, I would ask him to come together and to bring the mutual understanding. This leads also into high consideration that the Eastern Party of the Democratic Republic of Congo has been under so many events from 2007, when we talked about the Kunda Abatwa, we talked about the Bosco Kaganda, and so on. And today, Félix Tshisekedi, as the Republican president, must take a real decision to terminate all kind of events which we are calling the terrorist groups or rebellious groups in that part of the country. To finish my announce or my concern, I'm still saying and trying to say that I'm calling upon Italy to come into a mutual understanding, though this happens. And I'm also calling upon the DR Congo government to understand the event which happens and to bow to the Italian government. This is my message for peace, and I'm also taking advantage of this time to announce that Afghanistan and all parts of the world where we have located so many irregularities under peace, they must stop hostilities. They must come into understanding to build one world and one people. Thank you.